Streaming just got smarter and cheaper. Amazon has quietly dropped a brand new device that could shake up the budget streaming market. Meet the Fire TV Stick 4K Select, a $49 gadget that promises faster performance, 4K HDR streaming, and a bold new operating system that's not Android. The 4K Select sits right between the entry-level HD stick and the powerhouse 4K Max. It's designed for users who want crisp 4K visuals without the premium price tag. With support for HDR10+ and a faster processor, apps should launch quicker and streaming should feel smoother, perfect for binge watchers who hate buffering. Like its pricier sibling, the 4K Select comes with 8 GB of storage for your favorite apps and games. It connects via HDMI, draws power through USB-C, and includes Amazon's familiar Alexa voice remote, complete with shortcuts for Netflix, Disney+, and Prime Video. The only real compromise? You're getting Wi-Fi 5 instead of Wi-Fi 6, so depending on your network, load times might be a bit slower. But here's where things get interesting. The Fire TV Stick 4K Select doesn't run on Android anymore. Instead, it introduces Vega OS, a brand new Linux-based system built from the ground up by Amazon. It supports JavaScript and React apps, making life easier for developers, and potentially unlocking a whole new wave of smart TV experiences. The user interface still looks familiar, so if you've used a Fire TV before, you'll feel right at home. And it's not just for streaming. The 4K Select supports cloud gaming services like Amazon Luna and Xbox Cloud Gaming, turning your TV into a mini entertainment hub. With improved app loading speeds and solid processing power, it's more capable than you'd expect from a $49 stick. The Fire TV Stick 4K Select is available for pre-order now on Amazon for $49.99, with shipping expected to begin in mid-October. It's a budget streamer with premium ambitions, offering 4K HDR performance, Alexa integration, and a cutting-edge OS all in one pocket-sized device. So, if you've been holding out for a faster, smarter, and more affordable way to stream your favorite content, the Fire TV Stick 4K Select might just be your perfect match. What do you think of Amazon's new Vega OS? Could it change how developers build for the living room? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech deep dives right here on our channel.